Madajao no Edo Tibu, or should I say, good morning, everyone. My name is Arielieto Hermata Torres, and now I am going to present to you my concept paper of my research study titled Beyond the Rainbow, Exploring the Life Experiences of Indigenous LGBTQ College Students. And now, let's begin.
And now, let's proceed to the research problem. This study aims to understand the life experiences of Indigenous LGBT college students, particularly as they navigate their identities in the context of higher education. Through this exploration, the study aspires to highlight the social, cultural, academic, and emotional complexities of their experiences and contribute to the development of more inclusive support system in academic setting. And also, it is important to conduct a study like this because we're able to know what are the life experiences of Indigenous LGBT college students, particularly as they navigate their identities in the context of higher education. And of course, how do Indigenous LGBT students experience and manage the transition from their remote communities to a university environment, and what specific challenges do they encounter in the process? And of course, what coping strategies and support system do Indigenous LGBT college students rely to overcome the academic, social, and cultural challenges they face in the university setting? And now let's move on to the rationale. And let's answer the question, what is the reason why you want to pursue this topic, title, or study? Of course, Indigenous LGBT students face unique challenges due to intersecting identities, experiencing marginalization both as Indigenous individuals and as members of LGBTQ plus community. Existing research highlights the struggles of LGBTQ students of color and Indigenous students in Western-centric academic setting, but there's a lack of focus on the experiences of Indigenous LGBT students. Being a member of Indigenous community and being part of the LGBTQ identity serve a distinct set of obstacles for individuals, especially to those students in higher education's institution. This study aims to address this gap, particularly in the context of the Philippines, where Indigenous LGBTQ plus students remains underrepresented and face significant challenges. Insights from this research can inform policies and support system to create a more inclusive and supportive environment for Indigenous LGBT students in Philippine Normal University, Mindanao, and other institutions. And now let's proceed to the theoretical framework. The theory supports my study is intersectionality theory, which was coined by Kimberly Williams Khrushchev in 1989. This theory provides a framework in understanding how different social categories such as race, gender, class, sexuality, and ability interact and shape an individual's experiences. This intersectionality theory gives emphasis on how these factors overlap and how it creates unique challenges for those individuals who have multiple identities. And now for the methods. How do I intend to go about the study? This research will employ a qualitative research method, which will enable the researcher to ask more in-depth and impacting questions of respondents based on the responses. This study will utilize descriptive phenomenology, an approach that aims to comprehend and investigate the daily experiences of human beings with respect to a specific phenomenon as perceived by them. This is the ideal strategy for this research study, as it will enable an in-depth exploration of the ways in which Indigenous LGBTQ plus students navigate their unique challenges and experiences in college life and make meaning of their identities. Thematic analysis will be employed to analyze the data that will be collected through semi-structured interviews and focus group discussion. According to Johnson 2024, thematic analysis is the study of patterns and themes in a data set to determine underlying meaning. Again, the purpose of this study is to explore the life experiences of indigenous LGBTQ college students, illuminating on their journey from remote communities to university life. Thank you so much and God bless. The references is after this slide. Thank you.